Hey everybody, welcome to Jay and Dad DIY. We just got back from Comic-Con and we are exhausted.
Yeah.
Why are we so exhausted,
Because
man?
I got a lot of pictures and yeah, that's basically it.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting all those pictures and all the people that wanted to take videos with Jay and Olivia. This was Olivia's first con. She had a great time. The video that we are going to show you is one that we made last month prepping for today. It's just the mask, and then we'll show you the finished product, and we'll post links to everything to our Instagram page where you can see pics from the day and all the fun that we had. We hope you enjoy, and we hope to post more videos soon. All right.
Daddy, can you say we'll show them down the Mr. Moon costume?
And you'll see the Mr. Moon costume. Hey, welcome to Jay and Dad DIY.
It's been a long 2 years and today we're working on the Moon Knight costume.
That's right. So Comic-Con is coming up next month, and there haven't been any cons for, it feels like forever now because of the pandemic, but we're excited to go to the one coming up in Philly in April. And originally we were going to use this mask, and this is a lot more like the comic book version. This is done, it just needs to be plastic dipped and painted with some accents. But then we came across this one that's a lot more like the new Disney Plus series that's coming out, I think at the end of the month. And this is the one we're going to go with. So we're going to finish this one up, and maybe we can hear from you about which one you think we should use. We'll put a link in the description to where we got all the patterns for both of these helmets, and let us know what you think. Please like and subscribe.
My dad is applying contact cement and gluing strips of EVA foam onto the mask. We used 2mm foam for the strips and 6mm foam for the mask. Now my dad and I are applying foam clay to the cracks in the seams. This is our first time using foam clay. You need a little bit of water to make it moldable. This got a little messy, but it was fun and kind of relaxing. Fun fact. For some reason, when foam clay is wet, it kind of smells like poop. I'm not sure if it was just this brand of foam clay, but it was a bit stinky. Other than that, it worked great. Here's the finished mask after we applied Plasti Dip, paint, some shoe polish, and some mesh and LED lights to the eyes. And here are some pics from Fan Expo.
Moon Knight.